Let's discuss generativity theory and how the four competencies, capturing, challenging, broadening, and surroundings, can be used to discover new ideas and insights. Generativity theory was developed by behavioral psychologist Dr. Robert Epstein. Epstein said, "It suggests that novel behavior is the result of an orderly dynamic competition among previously established behaviors." Basically, we go through a series of failures and learning to arrive at new ideas. Generativity theory has four competencies: capturing, challenging, broadening, and surroundings. Let's begin with capturing. What is capturing? It's a pretty simple concept, actually. Artists draw images in their sketchbooks. Writers keep journals with pages of inspiration to use for later. This is capturing. It's all about preserving new ideas. When was the last time you had an amazing idea about your business, only to forget it later on, or even worse, dismiss the idea entirely? We have hundreds of ideas a day. Some seem impossible, some likely, and some we aren't quite sure about. Instead of setting them aside or refusing to acknowledge them, we should be writing them down on a notepad, a napkin, or anything we can go back to later. The reasoning behind this is simple. Although an idea may not seem relevant in the moment, it may hold potential in the future. What we know now is only a fraction of what we'll know later. Perhaps future knowledge and experiences will bring clarity to an idea. It may take a day, a year, or even 10 years for the idea to cultivate. If we don't give it an opportunity, the idea may never mature. Capture ideas and inspiration, no matter how insignificant they may seem at the time. You may be wondering, how can I get in the habit of capturing ideas? Here's one way you can create this habit. I want you to write down 2 ideas you have every day. Do this for at least a week. It doesn't matter how you capture them. You can use your phone or a journal. It doesn't matter what you use, as long as you are sure to do it every day. This will get you in the habit of capturing your ideas when they come up. By doing this, not only will you be capturing potentially useful ideas, but you can open your mind to new possibilities.